follow any of our previous videos, you will understand what that is. We're not going to go back and re-itinerate anything anymore because we feel like if you're following us and you watch our previous videos and you're committed, you will know exactly what we're talking about.
Time to move on, baby.
It's time to move on. Moving on. You're drinking a lot.
I got a big cup. I like my glass. I can't tell the viewers what this is because no, I'm not going to do that. I told y'all the feds is watching. You can't be just doing illegal stuff no more on TV.
What is in there?
This is cranberry juice. Cranberry.
Beer mug. Nobody gets a beer mug for cranberry juice.
But it's Sunday, football Sunday. So I relax, drink my cranberry juice. And it's great cranberry too, just this little purple stuff. Great cranberry.
So yeah, all men on Sunday get a beer mug and fill it up with cranberry juice.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Oh wow.
The kids didn't use and took all the other cups, so this is what you left with. When you got a lot of kids and they use all your cups in your house, you ain't not drinking out of a beer mug, you know.
I would like to give a shout out to my husband, who has finally, after 4 years, got our fireplace working. There was nothing never wrong with the fireplace.
Mm-hmm.
It was in perfect condition the whole entire 4 years. But he just now decided to start using the fireplace after 4 years. So I want to give a shout out to my husband for that. You know.
I'm from Chicago, baby. We ain't had no fireplace. Told you I was poor. We ain't had no fireplace, no real fireplace. So I had to talk to the other man to make sure this was okay and certified, to make sure I wasn't gonna blow up nothing. I was gonna go outside in the backyard and just grab some sticks and stems and just start me a fire. I'm from the Army, you know. I can get a fire started, you know, but I want to make sure the hole was open, the chute. So your boy learning to shoot. That's the chute.
Just be honest with the viewers. You were afraid. You didn't know anything about it, so you just did.
Yeah, I seen Fire Marshal Bill. I'm not gonna go out like that. Let me show you something. Not in the country.
So after this video, I'm gonna get on the floor with my warm and fuzzy blanket, you know.
Then we're gonna talk about what stocks we're gonna buy for Christmas, baby.
I'm gonna snuggle
Cause
up.
your boy trying to get that
next
Google.
to my
I'm trying to get a Google
and watch Netflix. That's what I'm gonna do. What he gonna do must be different than what I'm gonna do.
Stock market. But now we ready for your boy prepared this time. You know, we'll get the thank yous out. We get a appreciation to Maya. You know what I'm saying? Say it's very informative, you know. Thank you,
sweetie.
Got a Felicia Travis,
Girl.
you know. Saying very informative.
Oh, that's my girl. What up, Trav?
All right, we got Katrina Parker. Talking about my penny stocks are doing great. Day trading is his game. Okay. Okay. We gonna
read my comment on the video.
It popped up.
You could have skipped.
It popped up. Okay. All right. We got a HIKEZ Music World, baby. I ain't even know how to pronounce that first name, but we got Music World.
Hikes Music World, okay, appreciate that. Then we got Shabu, Shaka Zakala.
Back to the music person, if you got some kind of music or something, give it, link it to it.
Yes, we'll do that because we ready for that.
That's right.
Start Michael Battle, boy. I can tell you,
whatever you
Detroit
got.
Detroit ain't got nothing on Chicago, but okay. Then we get to we got 6. Saint.
He can't read.
Sakana, okay? He said, man, I wish school taught me this.
Yes.
All I learned was the Pythagorean and Romeo and Juliet. So shout out to him, okay? We appreciate that. Yes, they didn't teach us this in school. You know, we trying to teach.
Because they didn't want us to know.
Exactly, because that's where the money at.
But now we know what you gonna do. What his name is.
You know, don't do that to me like that on national TV. I'm gonna show a picture, hopefully, right after this, because I can't pronounce it right. I told you I didn't graduate from high school. This is the valedictorian. Next time, she gonna do all the thank yous. Thank you, okay? Next person is, we got Thunder Horizon, okay? Thunder Horizon. He said, I think he should make a video called Investing into the Index Bonds for Dummies. Okay, we're gonna come with that video for you.
Wait a minute. Investing into the index
bonds for dummies. Yes, sir.
Okay. I might need to watch that one too.
No, yeah. We're going to do the research, get it together. All right. Then we got Ryan Vlogs. Shout out to Ryan Vlogs. He said, before you invest, you should do a background check upon your source. Ensure you are investing through a solid foundation source to avoid losing your money. That's talk about what
Ryan
that's
be
some
listening.
good knowledge.
He be listening.
That's some good knowledge right there.
Deuces.
And then we got another one. All right. Shout out to Felicia Travis again. So this was very funny. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Very funny. I ain't gonna do that this time.
Very funny.
All right. And then we got
she's probably laughing at the fact that you can't read.
Yeah, I can't read. I don't know who did this. Okay. All right. Then we gonna go to the. All right, now we got a
amateur
Peanut. Oh, okay, my boy Peanut.
Peanut.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna pronounce his name. 'Cause I still can't pronounce his name either, and I know him personally. Okay. So Peanut, he know who he is.
Who bought us a wedding gift?
Yes, yeah. It's only a few, about 5, 6 of them, 7 of them, and 6 of them came from Chicago.
And we spent 20 grand.
Shout out to Chicago too. That's my #1 viewers. Oh, all the viewers coming from Chicago too. Just want to let you know that. So shout out to Chicago, everybody in Chicago. But back to Peanut, he said, real facts, appreciate the info. Y'all better listen. Y'all better listen. Your boy Nuts said listen. So
I'm gonna need for all my ladies to subscribe, link, holla at your girl. We can learn about investment. See, the reason we don't talk about investment a lot when we do videos is because we expect for you to look at our links, follow the videos, and read the information, because we don't want you to believe what we say. We want you to do
financial advisors.
What was his name? Said Ryan?
Yeah.
We want you to do what Ryan says: investigate.
Learn,
so that way you won't lose your money. That way you know what you're doing. So these videos are like, I know you watch and be like, they ain't talking about nothing. We're just talking about investing and having a little fun.
And you gotta make the stock market fun, baby.
Exactly.
The stock market boom.
But if you want to get to the business, because we about the business, watch our videos, watch our links, watch his boring ass day trading.
Because the boy on fire.
Yeah.
You see it, I'm on fire.
And your girl, she's starting to day trade a little bit too, starting to dump some stocks like bad boyfriends. Dump them, leave them, move on. Yeah,
dump.
Get rid of them.
Dump, but
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, technical difficulties.
Welcome back to Amateur Hour.
This is Amateur Hour. I'm not a professional. I told you I'm not a professional. But get back to the shout outs and the thank yous. We got
the camera has been moved.
Technical. I'm high. A technical guy, okay? We go technical guy. He say thank you for the clear and conscious content. Are related to accounting stuff or any chance? Okay, yeah, your boy can't read. I'm not gonna do this no more. I'm not gonna do this. Oh, I'm not gonna do this no more. Shout out to Barry. Barry333.
What up, Barry?
Say I'm grateful I found this channel. Looks like some solid content. You've got yourself a subscriber. Okay.
Oh,
shout out to Barry. 333.
Barry in the house.
3.
Thank you, Barry.
Then we got Amal C. All right, he say amazing. So happy you
arrived. I'm gonna read it next time.
On my feed, feel like I actually know where to start. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you can start here, bro. You can start here.
You feel like me? Started from the bottom, now I'm here. Started from the bottom, now I'm here.
All the way
Started from the bottom, now my whole team's right here. Started from the bottom, now I'm here.
Okay, next person we got Mr. Gamer. Boy, I got that one right, Mr. Gamer. He say, I feel as a 16-year-old This is some of the most important content for me, okay? Most important
so 16,
content.
we need to keep it rated PG.
No, that means that he didn't, you know what? I don't even know what it, yes.
Shout out to you, Gaming. We are so proud that you are so young and you're really actually thinking about investing. I've never even met that. It is very seldom that we run across young people who are even the tiniest bit interested in investing.
I'm trying to
So shout out to Gamer. Keep your game up, because I promise you, you will precede us and everybody else. If you start investing right now while you 16 years old, boy, you'll be rich as hell. I'm sorry. You'll be very wealthy.
Potty mouth. Potty mouth. We ain't gonna
be
never
very
get no money for
wealthy.
YouTube. This potty mouth here. Well, we ain't gonna never get no money for YouTube.
You'll be very wealthy. So keep it up. I am so proud of you. Just to even see that you even like watching anything that has to do with investing, I am so proud of you. Shout out to Gamer. Y'all know
It's
anymore.
Mr. Gamer, okay?
Ooh, I'm
but
sorry.
Mr. Gamer, I got 2 words for you. Custodial account. Okay, custodial account. Tell your pops, your moms, whoever's in charge, tell them, get you a custodial account. That way they can start investing for you. Tell them, look here, I want my money, I need some money. I'm gonna start investing. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, I'm gonna pick me some stocks. Go ahead, open up me a custodial account. I can't do it now, but you can do it for me. Whoever is in charge of you, then once you get 18, it's all on your hands, baby. So that way you can get your knowledge up here all the way till you get 18. And once you get 18, you're gonna be a boss in the game, baby. You're gonna be a boss.
Yeah.
Now, next person, we got Comedy Traffic. Okay, shout out to Comedy Traffic. He say, love how you explain things. You keep it simple, concise, without making me feel stupid. Okay.
All right. Comedy
was pretty epic too. He say the intro was pretty epic.
Epic means forever.
Boom.
That's long term.
Boom. I'm gonna give him a little fire.
Don't gas
Fireplace.
Don't gas
the fire. I did just move the camera too. This just moved to the left. I tell you, well, you don't even want to know what we're recording on. This is
a hanger
and some rubber bands. Okay.
But he had all the necessary equipment.
We're gonna talk about that. Okay. Next person we're gonna shout out to Dream Group. He said, this is so interesting and clear. Thank you. Shout out to Dream Group.
All right, Dream Group. Thank you for supporting us. We need supporters like that.
And that's it right now. So for the supporters,
we want to take the time for anybody who subscribed and even watched our video and even listened to all of the nonsense we was talking.
Yes.
Thank you. We love you and we will continue. That's our motivation to keep moving on. Amateur night number 1.
Oh,
Here we
yeah.
go. Here we go.
See the fire.
Here we go.
Fireplace.
Here
Oh, we got it. It's
showtime.
Yeah, move it a little bit.
At the Apollo.
That way. There you go.
Amateur night.
Then you can hold it. Oh.
Now, I told him 3 hours ago to get up the lights, the camera, the video. He said, oh, baby, I've been ready. He rushing me.
I made me like 2-3 videos.
He told me
somebody was at work with the penny stocks.
3 hours ago. But now I get in here and all this stuff is falling apart. Rubber band, man.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. This was just... Okay. Oh, man, we on the... Maybe we turn our head.
Why are you way over there? Do I need to move my chair?
No, the heat right here.
We're taping. This is the video.
Oh, yes.
This is the fireplace.
The fireplace burning my back right now. That's how y'all do it in the country. Just sit here. You don't get this close to the fireplace, do you? Because, man.
That's why I ain't got no clothes on.
Boy, the fire just made me go bald. I ain't tell you that. This went bald from the fireplace. It just melted all my hair off right there in the middle.
Fire Marshal Bill.
It's like a landing strip. Let me show you what's cooking. Right there.
Oh my God. Why did you start drinking?
You know what? Because it's... I don't know. I ain't got no hat on. But be blessed to invest in yourself and get some better equipment. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some better equipment. I might take a picture of this.
I think you might just want to.
This is horrible.
Turn this video into a funny skit because this is way off the radar.
I can't even do this. It's just. I got a ring light though. You know the ring light
with a rat on it. Yeah, take a picture so they can see the little rat thing.
It stopped blinding my eyes.
No, take a picture.
it started blinding my eye.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to wait till it get through on the other side. That's
a ring light with a rat microphone. What you been drinking?
Ooh, this is it ain't Moscato this time. I ain't drinking no Moscato this time. This is some real deal Holyfield. Some real yak.
I'm a lady. I don't get drunk and come on camera. I'm embarrassing myself.
That's what I'm here for. Shit. I mean, that's what I'm here for. I do all the embarrassment. You see, I went through all this embarrassment to make this crazy ass bootleg sign. So that, man, this is, boy, look at the sign. I can't even take the phone because it's taped up with some rubber bands. But I will show this in a different scene. You know what I'm saying? That was a lot too.
I'm part of the Michelle Obama Club.
Obama came from Chicago, so Chicago again. Well, Chicago, we keep winning. It's just Chicago, we keep winning, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Rubber bands. Got a little rat she was talking about, you know. I got some equipment, you know what I'm saying? I'll get better with this. That's my equipment. I'm working on it, you know what I'm saying? Studio coming together. It's getting there. Oh, be blessed to invest in yourself.